Yes, I know some you're not cool, I know all of that. But we ain't about that life.
First off, I wanna thank all my haters.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome.
It's on my team.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just if you are new here, welcome. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I post a new video, you'll definitely be notified. So today is kind of a haul unboxing kind of situation. I got some things at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and where? Macy's, I think. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share them with y'all. Oh, I got my kabuki brush. I ordered it twice. I ordered it already and it came and I thought it was fake, so I reordered it. Here it is. It's the F80 flat kabuki brush. Yeah, it's just my face brush to apply my face powder, and we just add it to our thing right there. I got it from Sigma itself this time. And here we have a few things from Macy's. Let me show you what they are. There are some denim shorts. This is size 33. I'm just saying, I could wear this with my little t-shirt and my little thing over it. I got a few of them just because I wanted to see what color fit. So yeah, I got a 32. I got a 32 in black because I like the black and I like this one. So I got different sizes. So this is a 31 and this is a 33. So I'm just gonna try to see which size fit and then return the other ones. What do we have here? This is TJ Maxx Home Goods. So I got these little cuties. Oh, these are so cute. These are just container, like when I'm cooking and I can put everything out and have them already prepared. You know what I mean? Yeah, they're really nice. Let's see if I can get in there to show you. And they come with the see, it comes with a little cover, so I can put salt, pepper, garlic powder, whatever, scallion, onion, tomatoes, bell peppers, and just have them already prepared. You understand? Like when I'm creative cooking. So we got those. How much did I pay for these? These were $6.99. I got a pack of banana flour. I wanted to cook this, and it's USDA approved. It's organic banana flour. I got me a little thing to put up with the Wi-Fi code, so whenever you guys need to get on and watch, I'm gonna make sure I have a Wi-Fi passcode so you can get on. I don't know it's gonna work, but one must can't stay from one of them and see Wi-Fi code. I got this little dress. I think it's so cute. Yes, it's really nice for $24.99. But not like it dear. $19.99 me I push it. But you know, $16 and $12.19 there. Okay. So let me put these back. Everything in this bag I'm gonna keep. So I'm not gonna return anything from that bag. Then this is Marshall's. So we had this little thing. It's like a food storage bag, but I have a different idea for this bag. I'll show you guys. It's like a food storage bag. It was 2 in the pack for $4.99, but one was missing, so I got it for $2. And this is some sage. I got this for $7.99. This was from Marshall's too. And this is, once I open my sage, I store them in this bag. Yeah. What is this? I have no idea. Let me see what it is. Oh. Okay. I got this at Marshall's for $7.99, and this is like a container to put my sage in. It's a marble stone cup or whatever. It's originally for like beaten spices, but I'm gonna use it for that purpose. I got this one first because this was the one that I saw first. However, I paid $7.99 for that one. Then where did I get that? I got that at Home Goods, but then I went to Marshall's and I found this one. This one. These two are the same price, $7.99. And I found this one. This is nice. This one was $9.99. So I found these 3. I bought all 3 of them because I'm like, okay, I need to go home with them and see which one fits my lifestyle. All right. However, I'm loving this one. This one is deeper because what I want to do is I'll open so you guys can get an idea. It's always good to burn sage. It's just the energy. It's just the vibe, you know. Positive vibration. Positive vibration and great energy. So what I do is I put one in whichever container I'm gonna choose, and then whatever is left. This is why I bought this. Remember, I told you guys I bought it for a reason. So I go ahead and I store my extra in the container. So I just store that away, and then I burn my sage in something like this because I feel more secure in the stone container. Yeah. So this one looks good already. I think I am gonna choose that one, but let's look at this one and see what you guys think. Tell me which one you prefer. They all comes with the thing because you know it's for beating up spices. Okay, so that one, I mean, this one is cute too. But I'm looking for the sense of security, the safety factor. This one is deeper, and it's more, it more has a little stand right there, and you know, it's deeper, that fits down in there more. Then this is kind of cute and tiny, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this one, just because of the safety factor for me. I just believe I'm gonna stick with that one. I like this one too, but maybe I'll take this one for Jamaica. Let me show you guys the other one. This one has a different shape to it. This one sits higher, but they're the same price. Same size and everything. See, this one sits higher. I think it sits higher, but it's not as deep. Cause see, this is up here and this goes all the way down. See? So I don't know which one I should take, which one I should keep. But for some reason, I'm leaning to this one. So I'm going to follow my heart. And I'm just going to keep this one. So that's what that is for. We burn our sage and attract positive vibration into our space. Energy matters. You cannot have negative energy around you, or else you won't manifest what you need to manifest. You know what I mean? So I will stick with the black one. I like that one. I think that one is a great choice. So we're gonna put these back. What else do we have here? Oh, I got me some face mask. I like these. These are really cute. And it was $3 for 10. That's not bad. I got me some organic virgin coconut oil because the one I have is finished. And I got me some hand sanitizer, girl. Gotta sanitize up myself. So yeah, smells good too. And that's all I got. See how quick and that's all I got? Yeah, that's all I got. In all honesty, I went to Home Goods to get this and I came out there with all this stuff. That's not right, but it's okay. So we gonna be burning a little bit of sage, honey. Positivity, protection, all of that stuff. Attract good energy, wealth, success, health, all of that good stuff. You attract that stuff. You talk that stuff into existence and you attract it. I want to try this banana flower so bad. Certified organic. Thank you. I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I am in love with my little storage bag, you know, just to store away my stuff because I'm very organized. I love organization. Organization is a part of my life. Sometimes I go really like, I want to feel what it's like to be untidy, but after a while it just naturally comes back to myself like, oh no, I'm going crazy. I can't do this. This is not my lifestyle. No, you got to get back into. It's true. I'm not even pretending. It's the truth. It's the truth. Where did I get this? Oh, I got this at Home Goods. So I need to try my dress on because I really like that dress. I like those kind of dresses. This is a new polish that I got. I kind of like this polish. I think I saw the Luxe Babe wearing this and it's just so, you know, I love it. All right, thank you guys. Yes, I know some of you not call me know all of that, but we ain't about that life. TJ Maxx and Marshall always choose to put the stickers on just the wrong place. Like, can I be the one to tell everybody where I get my stuff? Gosh, you need to put the sticker under here. Stop putting it on the bottles, the containers and stuff. That's not cute. What if me don't want nobody know which part me buy my two pieces sitting them from? Sure. Stop doing that, TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Put the sticker under here. Yeah, that's where we want it. Okay? Just so you know. We're tired of you putting it on the labels. We don't want you to put it on the label. Stop putting the stickers on the labels. Put it under the bottom. Stop. We don't want you to do that. That's not what we wanted. It's the truth. Put it under here so we'll be able to take it off real quick and fast. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, share them with your friends, comment, and subscribe. Bye.